Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Unit 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. In this unit, we will study about factors and multiples. Students, in our previous video, we studied about factors and multiples. I explained you about what do you mean by factor and what do you mean multiple. We have written the main points of that, and we have also solved sums related to finding out the factors and the multiple. Students, in our today's video, we will start with our textbook. So open your textbook on page number 87. Now students, in this the first sum is regarding the cat and a mouse. I will read the question first of all, and then we will solve the sum in the textbook only. The mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan. Kunjan is a mouse. The mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. Students, this is Kunjan. He is on the 14th step and from 14th step at a time he can jump 2 steps. वो 2 steps एक साथ कूद सकता है. The cat is on 3rd step. This is the cat and she is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time and she can jump 3 steps at a time. एक साथ वो 3 steps कूद सकती है. 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. If the mouse reaches on the step number 28, it can hide in a hole. See students, here is the step number 28 and nearest to that the hole. If the mouse will come here, then it can easily escape and hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. What we are supposed to find out? Okay, whether the mouse can get away safely or the cat kills the mouse. This is the question. And there are some 4 questions also written here. The steps on which the mouse jumps, the steps on which the cat jumps, the step on which both the cat and the mouse jump, and can the mouse get away. Isn't it, students? These questions we are supposed to answer. Now the first question is the steps on which the mouse jump. Mouse कौन से step के ऊपर jump करता है? Let's count that first. See students, the mouse is at the 40. The mouse can jump 2 steps at a time. So it is here 14. Then after 14, it will come on 16. Isn't it? I will write M here, so we can write that it is mouse. Okay, I will write here on 16. Then to 18. Then after 18, 20. Students, it is easy. After 2 steps, so we will write down the tables of 2. So 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So the mouse jumps on the number, it is on 14. 14 it is on 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. I will write down here the steps on which the mouse jump. Is on 14 it is on and it jumps to 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and at last 28. Now the steps on which the cat jump. Now let's look cat. Cat is on the third step. The cat can jump 3 steps at a time. She is here 1, 2 and 3. So at the 6th she will come. So I will write down C here. Okay, on this side of C. Then after again 3, 1, 2, 3 and 9, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, then 18, 1, 2, 3, and then 21, 1, 2, 3. This is on 24, 1, 2, 3. So at last it will be on 27. Students, you have seen that the cat is jumping on the multiples of 3. After the 3, it is the multiples of 3. The cat is jumping on the multiples of 3. So we can straight away write down the multiples of 3. The step on which the cat jumps, she starts from 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. The last step she found at 27, isn't it? And the cat and the mouse was on 28. So very nearly we can see that the mouse escaped. The mouse has escaped. The mouse escaped, isn't it, students? So these are the steps which on the mouse has stepped. These are the steps on which the cat had stepped, jumped. Okay. Now the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. Now let's find out on which number of step does the mouse and the cat, both of them, step. You can see, students, I have written C and M. You can see here, so on step number 18, the mouse also jumped and the cat also jumped. Then on step number 24, the mouse also jumped and the cat also jumped. So we can find out from here only. Both the thing, which numbers are common, we can find it out. So see, the 18 is common, and then we have find out the 24 number is common. So these both are common. The step on which both the cat and the mouse jump are 18 and 24. Now last question. Can the mouse get away? What did we see, students? Yes, the mouse get away safely. Right? Yes, the mouse get away safely. Understood, students, this question? Here we learned about the multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. We studied about the multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. By this game, it is taught to us the multiples of 3 and multiples of 2. Now, students, one more extra question is given here which you are supposed to solve. I explained you this, and this question you will solve in the textbook only. Here only you can solve and you can write down the questions. The questions also are the same only. Now see, I will explain you the question first of all. If the cat starts from 5 steps and jumps 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from 8 steps and jumps 4 steps at a time, can the mouse get away? Here only the cat starts from 5, so the cat is here, and the mouse, if we say the mouse starts from 8 steps, the mouse is somewhere here. The cat jumps how much? 5 steps. The cat jumps 5 steps. So we are supposed to write down the multiples of 5. So 5, then the cat will be here, 10, then it will be 15, then it will be on 20, then on 25 here, and the mouse is jump starting from 8 steps and jumps 4 steps. So we are supposed to write down the table of 4. It's on 8 and jump 4 steps. So 8, if we start from 8, 4, so 8, then 12, then 16, 20, 24 and 28. Okay students, so this same questions you are supposed to write. I have solved the explained you, and you can write according to this. You will write down these questions, okay, and you will see that whether the mouse has escaped or not. I hope you understood this sum, students. Now students, we will study and understand the sum given on page number 88. Students, here you can see some of the boxes, and in the boxes the numbers are written. On the boxes there are some of the alphabets are also written. Just look at D, X, M, P, I. These alphabets are also written here. Students, first of all I will read the sum for you. Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Monto is a cat and she is waiting for somebody. Waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. There is a trick to find it. See, here are the numbers from 1 to 60. Numbers there D, E, M, P, I, alphabets are also written. Now students, there are some questions given here. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. We are supposed to mark all the numbers with a red colored dot which can be divided by 2. That means we are supposed to write down the table of 2, because the table of 2, if we write every multiple of 2 is divided by 2. This we have learnt. Next, mark a yellow dot on the number which can be divided by 3 and a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. So students, we are supposed to write down the table, find out the table of 2, 3 and 4, because every multiple of 2, 3 and 4 will be divisible by 2. Then the multiple of 3 will be divided by 3 and the multiple of 4 will be divisible by 4. Which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? That we are supposed to find out. What are the letters on top of those boxes? Write those letters below in order. This much if we'll do, then we can find out the name of the person for whom Monto cat is waiting. First of all students, we will find out the number which are divisible by 2. We will mark it by red color. So first of all 2 is divisible by 2. Okay, so I will put a mark red here. Small mark I will put of red color. Then 4 is a multiple. We will write down the table of 2. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 13 table, 28, 14, table it come to 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30, then 2 16s are 32, 2 17s are 34, 2 18s are 36, 2 19s are 38, 2 20s are 40, 21s are 42, 22s are 44, 23s are 46, 24s are 48, then 25 twos are 50, 26 twos are 52, 27 twos are 54, 28 twos are 56, 29 twos are 58, and 30 twos are 60. So this all the numbers where we have put the red dot, this all the numbers are divisible by 2 because they are the multiples of 2. Now let's take about the multiples of 3, the numbers which can be easily divided by 3 without any reminder. Let's check that. First will be every number is a multiple divisible by itself. So 3, you can see yellow color. Okay, yes, little bit you can see 3, then 6, 9, 3 these are 9, then 12, 15, 18, 7s are 21, 8s are 24, 9s are 27, 10s are 30, 11s are 33, 12s are 36, 13s are 39, 14s are 42, 15s are 45, 16s are 48, 17s are 51, 18s are 54, 19s are 57, and 20s are 60. So wherever the yellow dots I have placed, this all the numbers are divisible by 3 and they are also the multiples of 3. Understood, students? Now let's take with the multiples of 4, the numbers which can be easily divided by 4. So all the multiples are 4 can be easily divided by 4. Let's start first of all with 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52, 4 14s are 56, and 4 15s are 30. Okay, students? So here the color where the blue dot is there, I have put the every number is divisible by 4. Exactly divisible by 4 without any reminder. Now students, our question was, the 2 questions we have completed. Which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 colors? Now let's find out the boxes which are having dots of all the 3 colors. First is 12. We will write down here 12, then 24, 24, 12, 24, then 36, 48, 60. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. The table of 12. Now, what are the letters on top of those boxes? Now, let's see what are the letters on these boxes. On 12, it is M. Then on 24, the next was 24, it is having O. Then the next number was 36, it is having U. Then on 36, 48, the next 48 it is S. And on 60 it is E. Isn't it, students? So write those letters below in order. ये letters हमने लिख दिए. तो what are the letters? M O U S E. So the Montu cat is waiting for whom? She is waiting for mouse. Isn't it, students? So this you are supposed to do in your textbook, students. What we have learned here? We learned about the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. We learned about the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. And we also learned about the factors we learned about the multiples of 2, 3 and 4, students. Understood this much? This you are supposed to do in your textbook only.